how to buy WELF token. Now before we start, this is not martial base. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So, as you can see, this token is available in the screener. It's created 3 months ago. And as you can see, to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your wallet. I will use the Bitkit wallet for that. Now go to your wallet and select the Ethereum as a network first. Now click on this plus icon and paste token address in the server, as you can see. Now after that, click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called WELF. So after you find it, what you need to do after that, as you can see here, now just click on it. Now here click on swap, switch from here, from the top. You can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, EZT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see, and after that click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy WELF token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.